This was a welcome relief for the people of Taos, but a few years later, a new hum appeared in Windsor, Canada.
It's an unsolved mystery keeping this neighborhood awake at night.
Sounds like 50 trucks starting up when it's very loud.
What is it? There are a lot of theories.
Spaceships, outer space to American military installations.
During a single day, 22,000 people complained about the hum. Researchers think the sound was coming from nearby Zug Island, where there's a lot of industrial activity. But there's been industry on the island for 100 years. The hum is new. And it doesn't explain why only 2% of people could hear it.